So, I broke my promise. So, kakain na naman kami ng unli. But today, it's unlimited hot
So,
pot.
sabi ko, hindi na ako mag-unli for a while. But I'm here now. Thanks to my husband.
Yeah. This will be our last for this month. Yung next is sa month end na.
Sige, once a month.
Sabaw pa lang, masarap na. Dipping sauce pala, dipping sauce. Yeah.
With the food?
Yes, what are your expectations with the food? Since we...
Savory, I hope.
It should be.
Layumar, Kuangko.
I
We're
wish
here
it's-
in Changnan.
I wish it's savory and yummy.
Actually, ang
And
usapan
healthy.
namin, set meal lang. Set meal.
No, we cannot do
Healthy
that.
naman to kasi sabaw and no oil.
Hindi na tayo, Besh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Maximize na
Ang
lang
dipping
naman.
sauce pa lang, masarap na. This is peanut butter sauce.
Okay.
Or peanut lang.
With sesame stuff, right?
The food is here.
There's sesame.
Food is
Pareho
here.
nga pula. Kaya na pareho nga pula dun.
Tomato. This one is tomato. This one is red oil.
I
Chili.
love the gulay. I love the
it.
gulay. Thank you for that.
Yum, yum, yum.
He has a name. Cairo.
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 Ito muna.
Oo, nahan
I
ito.
will just... I-ano ko sila, divide equally. Sa tomato and red.
I love the gulay.
I love the mushroom.
I love the mushroom.
Okay,
That's...
na mag-meet ka basta may gulay.
Parang roasted yung mushroom. Shiitake. This one is shiitake.
I love everything about mushroom. Ngayong tumatanda na ang mushroom is life. Especially the enoki. He started with enoki and now he started with everything.
Okay, so I'll just put everything here. Right there.
Yay!
So after that, we add the pork.
Yes.
Because pork takes a lot of time.
You can put the beef na rin. Are these both beef?
Yeah, it's all beef.
Kanilan pork?
Ito muna, this one.
Oh, mamaya na yan kasi
The one
madagpit
is
eh.
Angus, the one is US.
Mamaya na kasi mabilis na maluto eh. Manipis yan. Ito na lang. Ang mga gulay na lang.
Mabilis ko ito. Ito.
Ito na lang yan.
Adi, matagal to.
Ayan, yan. Oo, tama. At to, may halapit na kamote. Yeah.
Potato man.
Ito isa lang. Agbusa lang ito. One each lang.
Kasi para, pwede man magdagdag.
Ito, hindi ba?
Oo, ka din.
Lahat na yan.
Ilahat mo na.
Ito kamukot ito eh. Sweet potato.
Sabot ko, luto na yung potato chips. Ano
Ito
ito?
rin.
Bean curd.
Oh,
Oo, lagay mo na. Masarap yan.
bean curd.
Oo.
I haven't tried this.
Wala ito kasama.
Wala. Baka wala ganyan. Wala nito sa
Pag
katawan.
medyo luto-luto na ang pork, you can put the rest. Are you happy?
Yes. This is my first
Alam mo
time.
naman, pag masaya ka din. Ay, may na kami. Di ba niluto ko naman dito?
This one is so good. Yung red chili o red oil chili. Yung may, basta may yung may red.
Can I get this one, no?
Sure, yeah, okay. Masarap, masarap to.
Haluan ko na lang kayo. Sobrang anghang.
Hindi pa luto.
You get a meat, then you dip it with
I'm
the
gonna enjoy
oily
the food.
soup.
Like it's forever.
Masarap. So good. get some noodles na. Patatas, may patatas. This one is udon. Yung sa kabila, vermicelli.
Vermicelli.
Vermicelli. Vermicelli.
Vermicelli.
Edit ka na.
I will not edit that. I will leave it as
Yourself.
is. Yes.
Just correct yourself.
It's vermicelli, not vermicelli. Vermicelli is a different kind. So I'll... And then, syempre, kailangan ko mag-add ng soup. I like this one kasi maanghang siya. Laban na laban, yan o, red, it's red. So, which frontera?
I mean, ano mga ginasend?
It's not El Nido Beach. Pero
Gusto mo? Vermicelli?
sige, sa'yo na.
Dami.
Ano maubos?
Kaya mo yan, Beth?
Yung abs ko parang palayong palayo.
Yung ano?
Yung abs ko.
Nagpakita lang kanina ang malis agad.
I'm supposed to, to get abs by August 20.
Ikaw may nag-suggest din eh.
Sorry, Beth.
Hindi na okay lang.
Kaya nga, it's healthy, di ba? Kahit hindi siya because pinapaluan lang siya. Like, kung may fats, kasadbantin lang.
Make sure that what you said is supported by science. Baka maano ka bash.
It's according to me. Yeah. Disclaimer, it's always according to me. Third serving. Maganda ba sa Occidental? Chill lang.
We need to go there ko na. Mas dama ko nakakaon na hotpot. Kaysa grill.
Sarap na sarap yan. So we ordered another batch na kasi wala nang laman yung hotpot namin.
Wala na? Like zero bunay na?
Yeah, it's empty. Meron pang vermicelli if you want.
Sige. I'm gonna get it.
Ako, ubusin ko na to. Last for batch 1. batch 2 na kami. For batch 2,
What is that?
we ordered chicken gizzard. So these are hard to cook, so unahin namin siya. There you go. You want chicken gizzard. Then, ano ba ito? Fish mushroom.
Yan yung inuwi.
Fish. Squid.
Pero mabilis dapat maluto yan.
Mamaya na. Tofu.
Lugoy mo lang.
Ano nga sweet balls?
Tofu.
And mushroom.
Frozen.
Frozen?
Yeah.
Ang mahal yung isa nating soup.
Ganito.
Kaya mo na na rin.
Buti nga hindi na ano.
Eh, hindi ko yan.
Yeah, that's my favorite. Wait lang, madali lang.
That is, may nag-roll.
Ano ito?
May nag-roll. Handmade noodles. So, ito muna. Mushroom.
The mushroom. Aww.
Ito lahat patuto. Shiitake. Ang sarap ko shiitake. Mahal ito. Ito para siyang meat pag nakakatake.
Kaya nga yung mga vegan.
Mushroom
Pero pag vegan
based
ka
siya.
kasi, kailangan marunong ka mag-measure. Baka wala ka na masyadong protein na. Diba?
Ang beef ato lahat, hindi ka mag-order ng pork. So, mamaya na.
Ako office made vegan.
And put the fish na. Fish. Something eat this raw, like sashimi. Marami fish muna tayo. Okay. This is our second bowl. Second hot pot. It's very hearty.
Actually, healthier it.
Meron siya siyang fish ngayon.
Ito kasi may oil,
We
diba?
added fish. Yeah. Squid. Handmade noodles. And
Ang masyabo, mas halarumit pa.
this is daw how you cook. Ganun yun.
Pwede kasi ito kahalaro.
Ano man ito?
Guys!
Kasuot.
Oh my god!
Sa kasuot daw. You're gonna eat like this. This is how you eat it. Ikaw nga yata nagsabi ng dyan. Dito, sabi ni Leoka. Dito ba?
Dahil ko pa ng gulay. Ay, add na ha. Gulay.
Ano na lahat?
Gulay slice. I have now mushroom, beef, a bit of beef and fish from Gizzard.
Kasi environmental
Willomer kasi environmentalist.
Super busog na po kami.
Ikaw.
Ah, we're so full. Walang pagkakain. Konti na lang, yung nakakarami yung noodles.
Siguro ano?
Kasi makakapal yung handmade noodles. We're just stopped
Pero ayoko
now
ano. Hindi ka masarami.
about our purpose for
Bias
the
ka kasi
night.
mo pet.
Yeah, pet ko lang.
Ano?
Siguro ako ano.
Parang make-up.
World hunger. So like, mahulog.
So we are so full. Jiangnan. Are you full? Are you going to repeat this event?
In about 6 months.
6 months.
See you next week.
It's okay. It's
Mga full.
a different kind of place.